Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Home Basics TT41422 multi-purpose folding table, a versatile addition to any home. This sturdy and durable table, with its elegant white marble design, is perfect for enjoying meals or snacks while lounging on the couch or for providing extra space during parties. Not just for dining, this table is also ideal for reading, working on your laptop, or even playing card games, thanks to its spacious 15 by 19-inch surface. Built to last, it boasts a durable MDF top and steel legs, ensuring stability and longevity without the wobble of traditional wooden tables. When not in use, its foldable design allows for compact storage, easily fitting under a bed, in a closet, or tucked away in a corner. The enchanting marble design adds a touch of refined elegance to any room, making it not just a functional piece, but a stylish one too. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.